There's one of those. It's one of these we got to take off, I think. Put that there. Oh, I think we're on a roll here. I think it's gonna happen in our lifetime. Alright.
Are you helping? Good job. Right there? Really?
Now the thing is, I wonder which belt was loose. If they both were.
Maybe we should replace them both while we're.
Oh, it'd be good to replace them both. You know, if you can, if I can. I don't know if I can get the other one off. I don't know if I can get this one. I can get that one off. But you know what? I think it's probably this one that's smoking.
Oh, thank you. Are there any more? Oh, yuck. Oh, Mommy's hair in there. Are there any more?
Are you helping? That's good.
Thank you. Good job.
Shoot, can you curse like me? Watch me. Listen to what I say. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Pretty soon it starts turning into sheets. Oh. Come out of there. Come out of there. Two of them. This is the one that's, I think, is probably smoking. You ready? Is there an Electrolux place around here, sweetie? Oh, this is an Electrolux. This is, what is, oh, they'll probably have them, right?
Hoover.
You can get those at Walmart or anywhere, I think. Kmart.
Do they? Have you seen the belts for sale? Oh, great.
You need the model number.
Okay, I got 2 screws here. You had one.
Here you go.
And you have one. You have 2. Okay. You know what? Let's put them back in here so we don't lose them. What do you think? We'll put them in there. That's where they came from. Put one in there. One in where? There. There.
You gonna help from this side? Oh, you looking for the ones you gave me?
Somebody snuck them over to me. They're all over here. Ooh. These are the important things right here. These are the belts. Belts. They go round and round and make the belt go from down there to up there. Yep, that's exactly right. Yep, it goes in there. Here's where it goes. It goes right there. And that one does too. Yep. A little tricky though. You're going to have to help me on that later when we get the good ones. Alright, halfway through. I think we're on a roll.
Are you helping? You're such a good helper.